Yulong Laminating Film was founded in 1992. 3 hours journey from Shanghai, with over 30,000 square meters of floor area and more than 160 skilled employees. Annual output reaches 16,000 tons. Exporting to over 100 countries, becoming one of the biggest exporters in the field of laminating supplies in China. We have passed ISO 9001 International Quality System certification in 2009, passed AEO certification of China Customs in 2015, achieved the recognition of high-tech enterprises, and 4-star cloud enterprise in 2020. Production starts from coating, slicing, and inspection to packing. All processes are completed in assembly line. Quality is strictly controlled in every process. Orders can be tracking from production plan, manufacturing, storage and shipment in ERP and CRM system. Based on advanced production technology and perfect quality management procedure, our products have passed the source of product testing such as REACH and SGS. Company has passed the quality, social compliance, and security audit through SGS, BV and UL, and obtained the international certifications BSCI successfully. With high-quality products and sincere service, we have established a good business partnership with many global stationery brands and gained high recognition with customers. Our company has specialized in laminating supplies, producing and selling over 30 years. Based on normal glossy laminating film, we developed functional film in recent years such as back-sticky, anti-static, anti-UV, 3 layers, super adhesive, self-adhesive, and antibacterial film to meet different market needs. In the meantime, we are supplying OHP film, PVC and PP binding cover, binding combs, face shield, plastic mask, and other new products. We are committed to the mission of leading laminating film industry and building global brand. The core values of integrity, cooperation, aggressive, and responsibility. The product concept of simple but quality always persists to lean production, quality products, and professional sales serving. Practice makes perfect. Every people in Yulong are ready for future after 3 decades of accumulation. Yulong people will ride the wind and waves, forge ahead and open the new chapter.
Welcome to Yulong Laminating Film. We are simple but quality.